Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you about TRX2.com. So it is a profitable website. So do watch my video from beginning to end so you don't miss any information that is necessary, and make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any video that I'm going to post in the future. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do to sign up is to write your mobile number, your login password, security password, and the invitation code. You are invited by if you're invited by someone, and the link would be in the description, and you can see and check this website on your own. And then you have to write attach what is written here. You have to write this. So for example, it is written ABT7. Now I'm gonna write my mobile number, login password, security password, and after signing up I'll catch you. So I have successfully signed up. Now, latest announcement: TRX2.com currently has more than 10 self-built mines and cooperative mines around the world. The world's leading one-stop blockchain computing power ecosystem, TRX.cap and America Mining integrates 19 countries and regions around the world with more than 2 million a mine machine a. Tron's mine income in December 2022 is close to $1 billion US. Professional Mining Integrity Company, the only official. The link of the website will be given in the description, so you can get here, and you can also visit the company legal white paper by clicking this link on the screen. Now, join to be Tron Millennia, use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all users get the most TRX revenue. You can also get the details. Accumulated profit membership. Cloud mining offers a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoins, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transactions with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. Global partners were ZRX, CoinGCX, OKX, Bitmain, Binance, and Huobi. Deposit: transfer to basic account or transfer to promotion account. Investment is divided into two modes. Recharge: number 1, recharge to the basic account and receive income according to Sri Lanka time after 24 every day. Number 2, recharging to the promotion account, you can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal and income upon maturity. View notes: before investing, please choose a basic account or an promotion account. Invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is a very critical issue. Withdrawal: for withdrawing, you can select whether via it is through the basic account or the promotion account, and then your quota, the address, and your password. And what you have to do is to just click the confirm button. You can also share this with your friends by scanning the barcode or by copying the link and sharing it with your friends via WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and for that you will be rewarded. Okay, now the team. You can also see the team you have made, the level 1, level 2, level 3, everything. You can make a chart according to your needs. Now the app, and you can also log out simply. So now trading. You can see the trading profit, everything you have done. You can also share it as I've told you, and you can also mine. You can also see the mine. In mine, you're gonna see a team, the profit list, the transfer to basic, change password, change security password. You can share, you can see your notifications, the app, and log out. Now withdrawal. So I'm gonna tell you about how to deposit. So for example, I have to transfer it to my basic account. For that, I have to copy my address. Then I have to go my trust wallet. As you can see that I'm at my trust wallet. Now I'm gonna click Tron, and now I'm gonna click send. I'm gonna paste the recipient address which I have copied and the amount TRX. For example, I'm gonna do the 5, and then I have to click the continue button, and that's it. This is how you can withdraw. Now we're gonna move back. So as I've told you, that is how you can recharge. So that was it for today's video. If you got some information, you have some questions, you can ask me. And if you got some information, make sure that you share this video with your friends, relatives, so that people also know about this informative website, this informative video about this profitable website. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and goodbye.